Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Dwayne Saint and today I am unboxing Bentley Momentum Unlimited. Alright, so I purchased this fragrance, not sponsored, from Rude Scent. And here we have the box. Bentley Momentum Unlimited. I remember the very first time I bought my very first Bentley and I was immediately hooked. I love Bentley fragrance. So this fragrance was released in 2018 and it is fresh, aromatic, woody. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cellophane. Okay. I like the silver look. Silver. Okay, so we have nothing on the sides. Alright, so we have ingredient around the back. And we have our barcode, batch code, reference number under the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and take the fragrance from the box. Wow, this bottle is so beautiful, and this is a 100 ml bottle. Wow, it looks so luxury. All right, so you have this, tall rectangle bottle. Wow. So remember guys, if you're a Bentley fan, please do go ahead and like the video. Like up the video, please. All right. So the cork is tightly firm. Okay. Oh, it's not a magnetic cap. One thing I can say though, it is fresh. I can smell the citrus is coming in. Wow, it smells very luxury. No, tell me the truth. Bentley, I go on, look on the bottle. Bottle is so sexy. And we have some numbers under the bottom with some information. Silver atomizer. This bottle is very cute. Alright, so some of the main accords are leather, musky, warm spice, powdery, fruity. I can definitely smell the fruity coming in. Earthy, citrus. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. So this is my second Bentley purchase. Here I have my Bentley Intense Foreman. Alright, so all you guys who are Bentley fans, please to go ahead and like up the video. And let me know if you like this fragrance. What do you think about this fragrance? Well, one thing I can say, it's very fresh. We have the juice is blue. So I'm gonna wear this throughout the spring and summertime. Guys, so remember to go ahead and watch my unboxing video of this fragrance right there. Alright, so thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.